Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as that mom here on the internet, and today I'm back with a very short video. Very short, very impromptu, because there's been a lot of stuff going on and I had to get some things for the house. I'll have a video on my whole thought process with having an Amazon order and everything, because I know I've mentioned before that I was trying to kind of step away from making Amazon orders, but you know, sometimes I just have to be able to get everything I need in one stop, and you know, so I'll make a whole video on that later. Today though, I need to unbox what came because they are things that I currently need to use in the house. I have something that I don't have in this unboxing that I will share a picture with you guys later, and then also my air filters have not arrived yet. So I have air filters that they're just air filters, so I'm just going to let you guys know they haven't arrived yet. They're supposed to come sometime between like the 13th and the 19th. So my Amazon order, I did put the box that to try to have all my stuff come in the same order. So I had things that were available to come to me like that night that I put the order in, but I decided to take the longer shipping to make sure that they all kind of came on the same. The thought process was that they would come in the same box, but they didn't end up coming in the same box. Two of the products came in like like an envelope bag, and the rest of the products came within two boxes. And then of course the air filters that are coming later, they're going to be in their own box. The products that did come, this is what I got. So they don't have any like extra explanation of what the product is. It's just a plain box. So I can compost this box. I have a varying ranges of sizes that I've been getting with little boxes lately, and some of them I am keeping for like gifts and stuff later on the road. So this one says it's my pie dishes. Okay, I bought these mini pie dishes because we make a lot of desserts and stuff, and I intend on making some more meat and potato pies from my Harry Potter cookbook. So this is an 8-pack, and they were like $20 something. I'll put the prices up on the screen, but anyway, yeah, I bought this 8-pack, and this looks like a lot more than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, it's just 8. It looks like a lot when they're stacked together. So yeah, I'm excited to be able to bake with these. The meat and potato pies, and they're like a pot pie. They're like a mini pie pan, but they're like a pot pie pan. So definitely probably make some pot pies too. And we have a recipe for like apple cobbler and stuff. That would be great in these. I like to bake. If you guys have seen any of my fall bakes, it's pumpkin season, guys. So we're gonna get some pumpkin, and these will definitely come in handy with the pumpkin. Okay. So that's that first box. Second box, another unscripted box, but it smells good. So I know what's in this box. This box made the entire box it came in smell good. Okay, back. Okay, sorry, I had to walk away for a second. But this box is the Hare shampoo and conditioner. I was going to get this. Oh, and it's in Maintain, which I think is going to be good for all of our hair in the house, that for everybody that's going to use it. My daughter wanted to see what it is. So I did see these at my local Target one time, and I was totally going to buy it. But when I went back, because first I didn't have money the first time I saw it, when I went back, they stopped carrying them. So I think it was just like a promo product to see how well it would go. So Hare I have been looking at since then. I've been trying to find where they've been sold and everything, and they were actually available this time on Amazon. Because the last time I tried to buy them from Amazon, it was out of stock. The second I went to go buy it, it went to out of stock, of course, right? So it says 1 Hare is 32 ounces of liquid. This one is conditioner, which means 2 less plastic bottles the planet thanks you. The zero plastic packaging is recyclable and compostable. So yeah, guys, what sells me lately. And it smells really good. My daughter is sitting off camera here, and oops, I keep throwing this. But my daughter is sitting off camera, and she's both smelling it and telling me how good it smells. So you could smell it in the box that I opened up. I was like, okay, the shampoo and conditioner are in this box. So this one is Maintain, and it is, let's see, what is Maintain supposed to do? Because Maintain was just supposed to be, okay. Oh, color safe conditioner that maintains the health of your hair, leaving it in fresh, clean, and shea butter. The honey quat to add a bit of shine. So, okay, so it doesn't say exactly what Maintain is, but Maintain, when I read it, was the like the most broad range one. So I have psoriasis and my family has normal hair, but my daughter kind of has some eczema, so I always look for stuff that is going to be okay for all of our different scalp types and everything, and my husband has a sensitivity to some smells, so I tried to get the most neutral smelling thing and something that will work for everybody's needs. So I can't wait to try them. They are Shampoo Bar and Conditioner. I really like, I want to open it and see what it looks like, but I also don't want to open it until I am ready to, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. Otherwise, ooh, so okay, it's so this one is like wax paper, so I don't know if I can recycle. Well, it said everything's compostable, so it's probably a compostable wax paper. This is the conditioner bar, very ergonomic, and it has a C up on top. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there's a C up on top. So it smells delicious, and it's supposed to just fit in your hand, so you can just lather and do everything you're supposed to do with it. So that one is the conditioner bar, and it does, yeah. Oh, and there's a thing on the bottom my daughter just showed me, so yeah. The shampoo probably looks exactly like it, so I will not open that one, and we'll go on to the next product. I don't know how to, see, I don't know how to close it back up. Okay. Next product is this one. This is why I had to do this unboxing real quick, because I want to get these cleaned and everything and put them into use. So this is my stasher bag. This is how the stasher bags come on Amazon, guys. They come in this brown paper bag, and you can compost it, you can recycle it, but they don't really have anything on them, so you can reuse them. So this is a 2-pack of stasher bowls. So, oops, dropped the care card. I'll pick that up in a minute. My daughter's going to pick it up for me. Thank you, dearie. So, this is supposed to be, if I can get them apart, a 1-cup and a 3-cup bowl. So this is the 1-cup bowl and this is the 3-cup bowl, and they just at baseline just kind of stand up. They can stand, and they just kind of stay open at baseline. So they are the same stasher, you know, goodable stasherness, but I got these for like sauces, and in the picture they show this one with yogurt, like a yogurt parfait. So, and there's a fill line, some maximum fill line, so that's really good to have, especially if you're going to freeze stuff. And they're leak proof, waterproof, you know, seal proof. And I don't have any water in here to actually show you how that is leak proof, but super excited to put these into rotation. These are our 5th and 6th stasher bags. Anything fun on this paper? Oh, nope, just care and usage instructions in 4 languages. I have a care card, so I can recycle this one unless there's new information on this one that my current care card doesn't have. But yeah, awesome. I am going to do a video on stasher bags because it has been a year that we've used our blue bag, the first bag that I got. Obviously, we like them if I have already gotten our 5th and 6th bags, but the more we use them, the more we're kind of getting used to them, so they are really good. I like them. And then, thank you, dear. My last product is the 3rd time we're buying this one. I bought another box. We're not out of our a current box, but I bought another one just to have. So this is the Drops Laundry Soap, and this one is in stain and odor detergent pods in clean and crisp. So they do have a unscented one, but I decided to get the active one because, you know, kids and all the other types of clothes we get in the bin. I personally, because I don't wear my clothes to work, I wear an outfit to work and then I change at work into scrubs. I tend to wear the same pants like 3-4 times in the week, just so, because I'm just wearing them for like 30 minutes at a time. So I tend to need some extra stuff because every once in a while, you know, public bus, how we like them. But anyway, this one has 32 pods, and this is the inside of the packaging. You guys probably seen it in another video. I don't know if I have that video up yet, but I did do a video on how to compost the pods, the box for the Drops pods. So it opens up like this. There's 16 in each side, and everything about this package is compostable, and the pods are tiny, but they are concentrated. So don't let the tiny pod fool you. It does pack a punch. A lot of the times we have to use 2 pods for extra soiled loads, like you guys know the issue that we've had with our cats. So 2 pods will take care of any residual smell or anything from that load of laundry. Sorry, I have the hiccups real quick. So you can get them on their website, on the Drops website, and on the Amazon website. You can do them in a subscription and save. I think without the subscription, I paid like $16. I'll put the price up here. I think I want to say though that I paid like $16 for this box of 32 pods. But if you do the subscribe and save, I think it's like $13 a box. So, oh no, I have a video about Drops in the works, so that is where that footage is about composting the box. So at some point here in the future, you guys will see that video and how easy it is to compost the boxes. So but yeah, this is our third buy. Definitely like it. Definitely am, if I can keep affording it, I am going to keep buying it because it's something familiar. We loved the sheets and they were really great, but this has a more familiar feel to it of just throwing the pod into the barrel and everything. So like I said, a full video of my review will be coming soon for that. So that is all I got. If I didn't already insert the video of the other item, I will go ahead and do so now. Like I said, I have it, it's put away, and then my other item that I am waiting for is our AC filters. I looked and looked for a reusable version of the one size that we have, and I just could not seem to find it. I'm still on the hunt though, and at some point I will get another reusable filter because we do already have a reusable filter for our AC. So at some point in the future, if you guys want a video about that, I am definitely working on it. So yeah. Thank you guys for joining me with this little bit of a hectic video, a little bit of a hectic style is like my thing lately, I guess. But thank you so much for joining me, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, give me a thumbs up, comment, and share it with anybody that you think maybe is interested. These are great for babies, guys. I'm gonna give you a whole review on Stasher, but anyway, yeah, so everybody that you think will like this video or resonates with my message, go ahead and share the video to them. Thank you all for being here. I want to thank all my 55 subscribers. Like I said before, I'm super happy you're here, and the majority of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if that's you and you like this video enough, please consider subscribing. Okay, so thank you guys all, and we'll have a wonderful day. I can't speak, so it's time to end this video. Bye!